Feeling a little lost in the sea of your business data? Ever wish you had a crystal ball that could show you exactly what's happening across all your operations, in real time, at a glance? What if I told you that such a tool exists, and it's not a crystal ball, but something even better, something you probably already have access to? In today's fast-paced business world, information is currency. The ability to quickly grasp the pulse of your operations, from sales figures and customer interactions to project progress and team performance, isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Without a clear, concise overview, you're essentially flying blind. You might be making decisions based on fragmented data, reacting to problems instead of proactively preventing them, and ultimately, missing out on opportunities for growth and efficiency. Think about it. How much time do you currently spend digging through different spreadsheets, logging into various platforms, or asking multiple team members for updates, just to piece together a coherent picture of your business? It's inefficient, it's frustrating, and it's costing you valuable time and resources. This isn't just about knowing what happened yesterday, it's about understanding what's happening now and using that insight to inform your strategies for tomorrow. Imagine having all your key performance indicators, KPIs, laid out in a single, intuitive interface. Imagine being able to spot trends, identify bottlenecks, and celebrate successes almost instantaneously. This isn't just about pretty charts and graphs, it's about empowering you to make smarter, faster, and more impactful decisions. It's about giving you back control and clarity in a world that often feels overwhelming. That's precisely what we're going to dive into today, unlocking the power of the Relay desktop dashboard. For those of you already using Relay, you know its incredible capabilities for managing various aspects of your business. But what you might not be fully leveraging is its centralized command center, the dashboard. This isn't just a landing page, it's a dynamic, customizable hub designed to give you a holistic view of your entire operation. We're going to walk through, step by step, how to access it, how to navigate its features, and most importantly, how to customize it to provide you with the most relevant and actionable insights for your specific business needs. So, let's stop just doing business and start truly understanding it. Let's transform your data from a chaotic mess into a powerful strategic asset. By the end of this video, you will be confidently navigating your Relay desktop dashboard, using it as your personal control tower to monitor, analyze, and optimize your business performance. You'll move from reactive problem solving to proactive strategic planning, and that, my friends, is a game changer. First things first, to access your Relay desktop dashboard, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your Relay account. This might seem obvious, but it's the crucial first step. Open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, whatever you typically use, and navigate to the Relay login page. You should have received the specific URL when you set up your account. If you're unsure, a quick search for Relay login will usually point you in the right direction. Once on the login page, enter your registered email address and your password. Double-check for any typos, as even a single incorrect character will prevent you from logging in. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's usually a Forgot Password link prominently displayed. Click on that, and follow the on-screen instructions to reset it. This typically involves receiving a password reset link in your email. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login or Sign In button. Upon successful login, you will typically be directed straight to your Relay desktop dashboard. If for some reason you land on a different page, look for a dashboard or home link in the main navigation menu, usually located on the left-hand side or across the top of the screen. Clicking on this will bring you to the main overview. Now, let's take a tour of what you'll typically see on your Relay desktop dashboard. The beauty of a well-designed dashboard is its ability to present a vast amount of information in a digestible format. You'll notice several key areas, often laid out in a grid-like structure or using clearly defined sections. At the very top, you'll likely find a summary bar or a quick overview section. This is designed for at-a-glance information. Think high-level KPIs like total sales for the day or week, number of active projects, or perhaps the current number of open customer support tickets. These numbers are often accompanied by small trend indicators, showing whether the metric is up or down compared to a previous period. This immediate feedback helps you quickly assess the overall health of your operations. Below this summary, you'll start to see more detailed widgets or modules. These are the building blocks of your dashboard, each dedicated to a specific aspect of your business. The exact widgets you see will depend on your Relay subscription level and how your account has been configured, but some common examples include a sales performance widget. This is almost universally present and incredibly valuable. It might display your current sales figures, sales targets, conversion rates, average order value, or even a breakdown of sales by product or service. You'll often see graphs here, like bar charts showing daily sales or line graphs illustrating trends over time. Then there's the project management widget. If you use Relay to manage projects, this will be your go-to. It could show the number of active projects, projects nearing deadlines, tasks assigned to you or your team, or even a visual representation of project progress using status bars. For those in service-oriented businesses, a customer support or ticketing system widget is invaluable. This module will display the number of open tickets, average response time, tickets assigned to specific agents, or even a breakdown of ticket urgency. This helps you ensure customer issues are being addressed promptly. If you manage inventory or products, expect to see an inventory management widget. This could show stock levels, low stock alerts, popular products, or even recent returns. This helps you keep a pulse on your physical assets. A team performance or tasks widget is also common, especially for larger teams. This might show individual or team task completion rates, workload distribution, or upcoming deadlines. It helps you monitor productivity and ensure everyone is on track. You might also find financial overview widgets that provide quick insights into revenue, expenses, or profit margins, or even a summary of recent transactions. Another crucial component of many dashboards is a notifications or alerts section. This is where Relay will flag important updates, impending deadlines, system messages, or any deviations from your set parameters. Think of it as your early warning system. Staying on top of these notifications is key to proactive management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.